Atokpolo, ati konko. What differences?
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atokpolo, ati konko. What differences?
Chris, Mom, where would it be?
Oh, well, I just wanted to be sure.
Mom!
Oh, sweetheart, don't tell me that you're still sulking. Come on, darling. You just got home. Okay, tell me, how can I make it up to you? Your favorite meal? Chocolate? Okay, do you want to go out? A little bit of money?
Mom, you know it.
What do you want, darling? It doesn't suit you when you sulk.
I want to be with my family.
What? Those barbarians? They are not your family.
Mom, they are not barbarians. Mom.
Nothing?
Yes, brother.
Something fishy is going on here.
Fish? Is it a mortuary fish or shower fish?
I slap you, eh?
Sorry, brother.
Oh yeah, all for one?
One for all.
Now tell us what you are plotting.
Us plotting. We're not plotting. Don't mind him, we're not plotting.
Yes.
We can't.
Anything.
Bolaji, what is going on?
You're asking us questions and we are answering you.
Yes.
Oh yeah, all of you are disturbing us now. Get outside.
Yeah.
Please, children. I'm telling you,
Okay, bros.
Taju! Taju! Who are you in there with?
No one, Mom. I was actually on the phone.
Really? I could have sworn I heard more than one voice. Are you sure?
Then you must be hearing things, Mom. Because there's no one in this whole house except you and I.
You cheeky little boy, you. Naughty you. Well, I'm gonna go and make your favorite indomie with vegetables, let's see, with some pot roast, I think. Now, would you like a snack before then?
Sure. Sure, Mom.
Okay, honey, tell me, what do you want?
2 cheese and ham sandwiches.
Okay.
5 hot dogs.
5 hot dogs?
Yeah, 5 hot dogs, Mom.
Crystal!
What else? Crisps.
Okay.
And some chocolate bars.
But, honey, isn't that a bit too much for just a snack?
Mom, you know I didn't have enough for breakfast, so...
Now that will teach you, young man, to pay me some mind. No, you come here, young man, and listen to your mommy now. Mommy knows best, and I say that associating with those area boys and area girls and all those barbarians, one and all, is not good for you, okay? Now you run along, and I'll call you when your order is ready, darling. But at the rate we're going, I must have to go and buy some more supplies.
Jumoke, Bolaji, Beyi.
They are outside.
Which outside? The one I am coming from, or what?
No, we sent them outside.
You sent them outside the gate?
No. We sent them outside. But inside the
you people have not arrived though, and you've started bullying your younger ones. Now I can work it. Be warned though, because this time it's not going to be like every other holidays. I won't take that nonsense from you people. You know what I mean to come on crazy? Now I see a piece Abia.
I'll get it.
What the Bolaji? I'll do Mr.
Shut up.
I told you. These children are planning something. They are planning something.
I think so.
Oh, you see? Look at them. See how they come together. They are planning something. It's a lie. You people children are up to something. You are planning something. They are shouting on you. They are shouting on you.
Shut up. Shut up, Jumoke. Man, don't mind. Wait. You mean you people were having fun?
Yes!
You were planning something. They were planning something.
Shut up, Jumoke, before I slap you.
I will slap you.
Man, don't mind. We're having fun. You were having fun.
Yes.
And I did not hear any killing noise. And Lele inside.
Go inside the house. Enter the
Kedu, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
How's your granny?
Very fine, Mama.
Come on, down and greet me. What do you mean by that? How are you?
How's everybody?
They are fine, Mommy. She's fine, Mommy.
No.
I have good news, Mommy.
What?
You won't believe it, Mommy. Wait until Papa comes back.
Where is it?
Where's Papa?
He's going to work as usual.
Is he a fan?
How is it?
Welcome, Mama. Enna. Inside.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please.
Oh, get it.
No.
Casal.
Ma.
I want it.
Odima.
It's okay.
Who's she?
She's Hitler's first daughter. You think Jumoke is tough, Abby? Wait until she gets a hold of you. Wait until she gets a hold of you. You and your mother. Oh, hey, good job.
Anything to do with these barbarians?
Barbarians. Darling.
Jumoke only one.
What is that?
One.
I'm not even happy that
Sister, you didn't look at
Hey, Jumoke, share the biscuit equally.
Yeah, sister says share it equally.
I'm sharing it equally.
That's how you always treat us.
If I slap you, you always cheat you.
Jumoke, must you always quarrel? Just share the biscuits equally.
Give me the round one full.
Come on, me too. If I slap you, take it.
Sister, you just see you. This is not fair at all.
Brothers and sisters.
I shake for all of them now. But I would do Faki and Femi and Bolaji. I can't use the same. Bolaji. You
shut up now.
Mami, welcome.
Welcome. When are you come?
This evening, Mami.
Yagbanko.
She's fine.
She sends her greetings. Shalafia Noah. Welcome. Hey. Please. The Mercies is returning soon.
Now, so we see him. Yeah, Judy.
you see the no work at me.
Be patient, Mommy. Until Mommy comes back.
Papa is back.
Bami welcome. Bami. Bami.
Did I not tell you to remain in the village with my mother?
Benny, Bami.
So, what are you doing here? Or did I send you a message that you should come back?
Bami, I have good news. So Yagba said I should come and tell you about it.
What is the good news?
Bami, she said I should come and tell you that I'll be getting married to Taufik next week.
Taufik? No, she's not.
You have killed me, Yejide.
Mommy.
So this is your good news from the village.
Mommy.
You have good news from the village, Yejide.
Mommy.
Hey, I am only getting married to Taufik.
Taufik?
I am Taufik. Inshallah, we shall be getting married next week Friday. We have come to ask your blessings. Abi.
Yejide.
This one?
Yeah. How are you? What to get married? We have a go for HJ. Can you bring him? Yes. I have Taufik. Let's get to know you.
We just want to know.
Rakindi, take it easy. Push, take it easy. Sit down. Sit down there.
Not to my Not to my That's not why you know.
Take it easy.
We are coming. Don't worry.
Tó bá tún sọ̀rọ̀ kó gba ìwò.
Ejide ó ga ṣá.
Darling.
You want to marry him?
Absolutely none of your business, Crystal.
Oh, come on, Mom. This is my family. And if anything is wrong, I want to know.
Oh.
And I'm not going to be silent when I shouldn't be, Mom.
Oh, you want to know?
Oh, come on,
Crystal, go inside. Right away.
Mom.
Don't let me repeat myself.
They're taking him away.
Crystal.
Mom.
Barbarians.
Please, help me ask your daughter. I hope that area boy has not jumped over her. You hear me? I hope he has not jumped over her. Because I will never have an Oyeleke as my in-law.
Hey, whoa! God forbid next bad thing. The Oyeleke peoples and our peoples can't marry. It is a causes. Like that one on the Pharaoh.
Tell her, I hope she is not pregnant. For her own sake. Because by the time Bajamiu and Ifa descends on her, her eyes will see her ears without mirror.
Jogba, sorrow. Ejide, what did I do to you that made you do this to me, Ejide? Can you make?
Mommy, what am I doing to you? I'm only getting married.
So you saw?
Was that what I sent you to the village to do? Eh?
What did you send me to the village to do? Bami?
Are you answering me or you're asking me a question?
Joe, I want to know. For the past 5 years, I have been in the village. Nobody wanted to know what I was doing or how I was doing. Not even my darling mother.
I will shout
for you now. Joe, má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀, má bínú.
Do what again, Bami? Do what again, Bami? Banish me to the village. What else did I do, Bami? Except that as a 14-year-old, I went swimming with my friends. Otto, what else did I do to you people?
Look, Lady Shore, Shore, because tó bá Shore, ma beg you for any. Yes, ma beg you for.
Bami, 2 years ago, I wrote you a letter that I had passed JAMB and had been given admission to read law. Did you reply me? Chief, Mami. Did you care? Was this nobody cares? I'll marry Taufik and nobody will stop me. Chief,
Chief, what you told me that you were going to send money to her, Chief?
Yes, I said I will. Yes, I did. I think I did.
Bam, it is true.
Will you people to leave me alone, Jerry? What is it? How am I supposed to remember everything? Am I a computer? What is it? With all your commotion in this house, give me this, give me that, she's still this, you get in my week, this one water, this one kitchen. You people send me crazy and in the confusion. How am I supposed to remember anything? Am I a computer? Let me go.
Ejide. Adao. Please. Biko. Nenu Manya. I'm still your mother. Please. I know that we've wronged you, Ejide, but please, Biko, we'll make amends, please. Ejide, I'm sorry. Don't throw your life away and go and marry that Taufik. Biko. Please, I'm begging you, my daughter. Biko no mom. Oh, please.
Mommy.
Please.
Sorry, It's too late.
It's not too late, mom.
I am pregnant.
Hey!
Take it easy. Get on there. Mommy, Taufik has something to say. Oh yeah.
I feel like just sorrow. Look, Sif, I do not want to marry your daughter again, no.
Yes. Oh, you did not think of that when you got her pregnant. Pregnant.
Sif,
you got her pregnant. You don't want to marry my daughter. You don't want to marry my daughter. You are denying my daughter, Neme. Let me kill him. You are denying my daughter. Let me kill him. Denying my daughter.
If she's pregnant, it's not by me. I'm not responsible. It's not my own. Government of follow you. Talk. I'll talk before I die here. I'll talk. Chief, my real names are Rotimi Adeyemi. I'm a second-year law student of Ogun State University. Yes, Yejide here is my classmate. Yes, my classmate. She asked me to help her pretend to be her suitor so that she can come home. She says she misses her family.
Yejide. Get up. Get no.
Beating me.
The law. Sit down. Sit down.
The law. Sorry.
Senior, thank God for you. I thank God for you. Thank you.
Asking for money.
How did you manage?
From what he had away from the farm and some small businesses.
I always knew you would make it in life.
Bami.
Yes. Because you are my mother. Come back. Welcome back, my daughter. Forgive me.
Welcome home, my daughter.
I sent you to the village so as to protect you. Yes, so that those small boys will not destroy your life. That is love. This is the first Fuji lawyer, barrister, and esquire in Fuji House. Yes. And by the grace of God, inshallah, she will become a senior advocate of Nigeria.
Amen.
I am the first Fuji historian in this house.
Yes. I am the first Fuji anthropologist in this house.
Yes.
Bami, I'm the first sociologist in this house.
Bami. I am the first animal husband in all of
Bero is the first in this house.
I'm the first man one.
Me too. I'm the first food prefect. Bami, I'm the first class captain in Fuji House.
I'm the first man
Me too. I'm the first catering practical in Fuji House.
What are you up to?
I wonder.
Me too. I am wonderment too.
What I say?
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 occupation. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji House of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji House of commotion. Creating practical solutions, Fuji House of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, occupation. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
What differences?